Welcome to Family and Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's get started, guys. So guys, in today's video we will be making fried shrimp and I want to show you my recipe for fried shrimp. Here are the ingredients we will be using today. I'm using some Accent, chicken bouillon, adobo, some garlic jalapenos, paprika, black pepper. I have some white pepper as well, cornstarch, oil for frying, and here I have some of my green seasoning. If you would like to see how I prepare my green seasoning, I will leave you a link down below in the description box. Or if you want to prepare yours differently, you can go ahead and do that. I have 2 cloves of garlic, 1 egg, Old Bay seasoning, and here I have some fish fry, and this is a seafood breading. If you can't find this, you can use your regular all-purpose flour, replace it with that. And here I have my shrimps. So the first thing we're going to do is get our shrimp seasoned. So guys, to season your shrimp, you're gonna add in all your dry ingredients. So after I add my dry ingredients, and guys, I combined all my dry ingredients in one container, and now I'm gonna add in my green seasoning, and I'm gonna grate my garlic. So now that we're done adding all our seasoning, we're gonna mix this in, and you wanna make sure that they're all covered with the seasoning. So now that it's done seasoning, I'm gonna put these in a Ziploc bag. You're gonna close your bag and you're gonna try to just massage it into the shrimp. All the seasoning, you want it to massage into the shrimp. Now we're gonna put them in the fridge and we're gonna allow it to sit for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. The more it's better if you have the time. So I'll place these in the fridge and I'll be right back. So guys, here's a look at our shrimp after it's been sitting for that 1.5 hours. I've went ahead and combined my seafood breading and my cornstarch in one bowl, and this is a look at the seafood breading. If you have never seen it, this is how it really looks. And the cornstarch, I've added my 2 eggs in a bowl and I'm gonna whisk this up now. And here I combined all my dry ingredients, a little bit of each. I'm gonna mix this in, my cornstarch and my breading flour, and we're gonna mix this in. You can just use a whisk to make sure that everything is combined evenly. So guys, after this is finished mixing, you're gonna need to do this with your hands. You're gonna have better control over it. I'm gonna grab just about a 3 or 4, and I'm gonna just put it in my egg mixture, and I'm gonna batter it in my flour mixture I have here. So now that you add it to your breading mixture, you want to pick them up one at a time and just pat it in, like the breading flour. You want to pat it in the shrimp so that it absorbed all the liquid. Otherwise, if there's liquid in there, when you put it in the oil, it will burst and pitch on you and you can get burned. So just make sure that there's no liquid in there. Now you're gonna place them in a separate container and you're just gonna continue with the rest of your shrimp. You're gonna repeat the process again. And when you're putting it in the egg, guys, try not to mix it too much because you don't want the seasoning that you have on there to fall out in the egg. So guys, here's a look after I finished dusting my shrimp in the breading flour. I'm going to head over to the stove now and I'm going to show you that. So guys, we're about to fry these now and my oil is on. My stove is on medium heat and I have a plate with some bounty paper, and you're gonna need a spatula or a spoon and a hand strainer to help you take these out. Now we're gonna wait until the oil come up to a nice hot temperature before we add any of our shrimp in. So guys, my oil has come up to a nice hot temperature and I'm gonna add in my shrimp. But just before you do that, make sure you just give it a little shake like this so all the dry flour fall out on the plate. So you're gonna allow this to fry, guys, on both sides for about 2 minutes on each side, and or until you see it they are at a light golden brown color. You can take it out. I'm gonna flip them over on the other side now. So guys, 2 minutes is up and I'm gonna take these out now. They're at a nice color that I like. Here you go, guys. I'm gonna put this in my draining container now and I'm gonna continue with the rest. So guys, here's my last set of frying. I am gonna allow these now to cool down and Chloe's gonna try it and she will let you know how good they are.
Time to try it. Yummy. Bye, Condom. Bone scratch and block. See you later. Bye.
We hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.